wara ruga wai faru katarawo. Wara ruga wai faru katarawo. Abang di waru wadi ruga sebek mu katarawo. Wara ruga wai faru katarawo. Abang waru wara ruga wai faru katarawo. Beka, ndiri yemo. Amin tati abang ku jale san bat ke me do esko.
Wara ya kana fi asesma. Ndiri esko.
Mi pa wo kesop.
Ti ama na fi tete mata ni pa wo.
Ka utodo.
Asesma.
Abasi.
Tongam pa.
Abang waru wara ruga wai faru katarawo. Abang waru wara ruga wai faru katarawo. Wara ruga wai faru. Abang waru wara ruga wai faru.
Game dia tu tu wat. Ki wan kau waran dua.
Utodo.
Ntik be ni di wat. Asesma. Wari waru wat. Me waru wat. Ngane ke fanga dia.
Yam fie ke ni accidento.
Asesma. Okbani bere yene de me yo.
Abang
Ndiri accident.
mpao.
Mpa. Fo mari yo ngwero. Asesma.
Ka utodo.
Okbani bere yene de me yo.
Abang
Mi morong ni. Dia dat mo wo. Kage tete ndien.
Iya, bang.
Tu te ba fong.
ka utodo.
Baka ma fo ke yet. Teben debut. Mairo. Okbani bere yene de me yo.
Abang
Morong di kebe. Ami yung bab. Mi yung piang tat.
he has come inside the Buddha's kingdom. A week pop and a week tat.
Yero.
Abang yung mi mix ndi tiang.
Ndaka ke mo wonye na mpra ya kanya warari.
You say if you get any wahala problem, come outside.
Pero mi morong di kebe.
Because I've come inside the Buddha's kingdom.
Ndiro gari. Yo we di mi.
Wrong I'm in your gandik by me.
No ye ke mi ya basana mi pompo. Ke mi ya tu anyamba.
He said that it's a God that do big thing that they will cry for you.
Oh ye me tirim pasi.
They say waiting carry you come back Buddha's kingdom.
Every time my girlfriend would complain. Every time she dey complain.
Okbani bere yene de me.
Abang
So
me.
ke ya mami akinwa.
I take it every time girlfriend must complain.
Okbani bere yene de me.
Abang.
Tiri girlfriend.
Abang my now.
Maino. Adi girlfriend. And then maino ro anso.
Waiting they complain for.
Say I know the last.
Last on what?
Last on top.
On top
I
what?
do they quit they come.
Ntina mbono mi bong dem ko.
Abang no mfna mo.
Mi bong gbe na mpana sie. Mpana sie songo duduntre.
Abasi.
Ntiri mpana sie.
I take it my no ma bo kenye si sobo kom.
Ntina ma bong gbo.
Ndi on si bege mo.
Ntiri kom.
Ndidi
Ni didi mo.
on double gap.
What? Ngena yore onam.
So you waiting you want me bong do for you.
Me about just do me anything wey go make me last.
Ayoro gari dia.
Abo ya anam say for ye ina mi mo last.
Ntiri lase.
Di papa na.
Ko ye yom ni papa. Nkobaro ke yang maino.
Abasi.
Asa sama.
Ka utodo.
Okbani bere yene de me yo. O panami. Arara me ye yom ni bagi kafa.
They say like how many round you won the last?
Like 20. 20 round.
Abasi.
Ntina mbono ke bong dem ko.
Abang no the round.
Ya do mi kafa.
Abang ate 20.
Ntiri 20.
Era
Oh, adi semmo ke bong. Anye ke mo bong song song. Ike ba bong ekboy. Awara kakana nga. Anye yo mo woro.
Abasi.
Sirong de ye diero. Me mi so min tong utum. Ah min bo merong ma metiere. Ndi min tua yembam. Bong tua yembam. Ferogan tua yembam. Iya bong. Se sutum se mo ferogan tua. Mbam. Oyo tiyo ana mo fo.
Ka utodo.
Akbarawa. Sama yo ferogan tua fimba. Ami ya tua fimba. Eri mi nyom ni bo fiasina mtutoto.
They say which kind work you they do?
I know the work. I know get work. They work anything.
Nyara onsemba.
Ate ni egutom.
Nena
Ina na many.
Ni ye utema ye yom ni ki ko bamba. Wa nanu ba ko tem ge. Kon ko. Yo kene. Ya punyo ro ga tem te ko yo ni yo woro. Ni go yo woti. Se ye yo ro re. Era. Ami ye yo mi ya era. Mami ya. Ayen ko yo yo abaga era.
They say since you won the last for 20 round, they will beat you 20. After that 20, you will last more than that.
I not go that.
No.
Sure.
Wangarera.
Oh, yeah, turn around.
Danong kama.
turn around.
Come. Mama, come. No, you came in, mommy. And your mama won't
Then if you shout, it don't spoil.
No problem.
No problem.
I want
I tell you, mommy, I would.
young me, I would. They baby. A borrowna make up.
Bravo! No too much.
My bangaro. Mrs. Samantha. One of me.
Bravo!
Jesus is blood.
You be mumu. May God
I am
not
the
allow them
one
make
the
them kill you.
cabiara.
He don't spoil. Don't
know they last again.
We last.
I know what last
I
again.
don't worry there.
I take him a young me back now.
And you can nick Baba. I said, I'm coming and young good.
I know they last again.
What did it, Ami?
Maybe the last thing.
Unami cotton cloth. My hero, Akbarawa. Mama Fokana Mutum, Umama Pokpong, Fosangayum, Ngomeri Nam de Fiabri, Utumuyeneke, Amakana Mama, Robion or Donkey, for young power say up there. Summer. Better for more young at the Kimo, Yum can debreva. See your cockbay.
They say if you dare short, say you no one day last on W or care friend again. Come on, money pay.
For what? Who now walk me?
Alright, my basi, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching Love Nation Entertainment. See you next week Saturday. That is only for Kamo. So kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we post our next video. Meanwhile, please like the video, drop your comment and share. Don't forget to share. A quick one, we postponed our event that was supposed to take place on the 3rd of May in Uyo because of Corona. So for your own safety and our own safety, we had to postpone the event. Please, for now, stay safe. Understand, stay safe so that when we announce the next date after this Corona, you'll be able to come for the show. I want to say a big shout out, thank you to all those companies, all those guys, all those people that called for their ticket. Now show us love, say anything where we do now they support. Thank you very much. God bless you guys. Please stay safe, like this video, share and drop your comment. For sponsorship, advert and booking, call this number. If not for Corona, will you fulfill us? Corona says somewhere.
Now you they give me victory. I forget no go.